Okay, so I've been studying these two diagrams for some time about where to start, and none of this roof support is geodesic self-supporting without panels. So for example, this one which goes, two fingers are those two poles there, it goes there and then joins in a joins at that point there. There is a pole across here, and I was thinking of doing that gull shape initially because I have a long support which goes down to the floor in here. And I realised that this is going to flop about as well. It's actually probably better to construct this actually directly on the floor as a single assembly. But what I'm probably going to do is go back to the 3D CAD and put a pipe across here from there to there, and there to there, and there to there, and at least this part would become a rigid triangle, and probably also one across there as well, because that would become an inverted rigid triangle. Yeah, that makes any sense. And possibly also one across from there to there, but the idea is that those parts will be removed, or that they will be, if these two potentially will be left in, as you'd end up with an air tunnel, like the I don't know if you've seen the Daily Driven Exotics, the Tyre Slayer 6. They've actually got a supercharger scoop to the rear engine going through there, so it would kind of be a nice tribute to that, but also to capture some of that air that comes off of the roof line and bring it down. So just a thought on that one. Too complex, needs work, so instead we're going to do the back box. And I was just looking for the 3 to start from that would give a stability point, and I picked B11, which is there, and we'll go across to there, and where else will we go? No. That one isn't there yet, that one isn't there yet, that one isn't there yet, so the only choice is number 37 going across to there, which is from there to there. So that will give us those 3. So we get 1, 2 and 3 across to there, and then probably do the same on the other side, and then we can put in those 2 middle ones. And these 2 middle ones can then go in nicely. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. That, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Actually, that's probably a better one to start with. B10. That's got a nope. Have to put the order in which these go in. You'd have to really think about it, to be honest. So yeah, B11 up to there. This one here is what is in. It's the back box. I haven't put the things in to not complicate the diagram here, but that is that node there. All right, so let's get on with it.